Good afternoon. It is October the 26th, 2016. Time to kick off. Actually, excuse me, it's time to wrap up another trading day. We came in this morning wanting to sell 39s to 41s, and that information was in your hand well before the market opened. And we wanted to buy 25s, 27s. The low's 24.5, 24.75, and the high was 21.40. Now, those are pretty good calls. How did the software work? No worse than a scratch. Pretty nice winner. Pretty nice winner. No worse than a scratch. No worse than a scratch. Trade goes on to develop. Pretty nice winner. Pretty nice winner. Pretty nice winners right there. Yes, there was some chop. Yes, you had to stay in some trades longer than you'd like to stay in some trades. But if you just look at the software and you take your idea and your level, and then let the software work for you, it will put money in the account if you'll take the trades. And that's what you have to learn how to do. Being wrong is a part of this game, and you just have to get used to it. Okay, right now we're just kind of trading right in the middle. We definitely have a buyer below 21.17. Definitely have a seller above 21.49. Lower high, lower low. F1 screen on the E-mini tells us to look for a place to sell it. Got a D pattern right here, kind of a saddle formation, where the market really does need to fill in volume between those two places. So kind of like we were this morning, sell the 35, 37 area, sell 39s to 41. So basically we're trying to sell 35s to 40s, and on the buy side 25, 27, and 17 to 20 for buy 2. We do have news tomorrow. We have durable orders up 0.2, ex-transportation plus 0.1. Hard to say how these numbers come in. We're so close to the election. The administration want to tout how great things are. Jobless claims at 255. Again, the numbers are probably as good as they can make them be. Pending home sales plus 1%. That one could come in based on the most recent numbers. Natural gas inventories. Previous was plus 77. And then KC Fed previously was plus 6. I'd like to see numbers better than forecast, showing more growth than what we've had. No danger of a recession, but we don't know if we'll get them. Tomorrow's a 7-year auction. We've had 2 lackluster auctions. A couple of weeks ago we were in the same situation where the first 2 auctions didn't look very good and the third one came roaring back. So we'll see if that's possible today. F1 on the 10-year, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. F2 screen is going to definitely be a B. We haven't had, the auctions haven't been well received. So here we are, 24.28 by 1. Bottom can't come out of the market without news, and then having to move the market, and then 17 to 21 for buy 2. On the sell side, I'm going to stick with 3 to 7, and 11 to 15. Looking at the 30-year, volume is a P, TPOs and time is a B. The knob spread did come in today. So we've got resistance at 4 to 8, 11 to 15, sell 1. And 23.27, sell 2. On the buy side, pretty good support, 20 to 20. Last rotate down was 22, then 28, so 24, 28. Buy 1. Number 1, not buy 1. 17 to 21, buy 1. And then 5 to 9, buy 2. 7-year auction is tomorrow. Gold, seller at 75, a buyer at 60. Probably won't change overnight. We do have news tomorrow that can move the markets, durable orders. Inside day, that implies trading range. F2, definitely a B with the C split. If I put it all back together, we're below that volume number, so I would say the C split is correct. So 69, 71, sell 1, 74, 76, sell 2. On the buy side, 64, 66, buy 1. And then 60, 62, buy 2. Crude oil finished weak. Pointed lower, had a build in the APIs and a small draw in the EIA numbers. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Looking at F2, definitely a B. So I'm guessing we're probably gonna get headed for 48.50. That might hold, so 50 to 75 buy 1, 48 even, 48 1/4 buy 2. Do like the short side of the market. On the sell side, 49 1/4, 49.50, sell 1, 49.75, 50 even, sell 2. And last but not least, the euro. I saw where Goldman came out and said the Trump election, Clinton election will not be a Brexit event. But they're hoping it won't be. I still just cannot even fathom how our politics have gotten to the state that they're in these days. 975. We're at 932, so 950. This higher low, higher high. The F1, the market can go higher. Looks like basically 109.80, 110 is a pretty big break in the market. Down below we have buying at 108.75 to 85. Definitely a B. So sell 40s to 50s, sell 1. 70s to 80s, sell 2. On the buy side, I think we can head a little lower, so 109 even, buy 1. 875, buy 2. And that does it for this October the 26th, 2016. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.